Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about how to create multiple pie chart. So in my previous video I have discussed about single pie chart. If you have not watched that video, I'll just give that link in my link description. Just go and watch that video so that you can easily understand this one. Okay. So I'll just pick up product category and sale by just control click and then just click pie chart option. Okay, your single pie chart is ready now. Okay, so here I'll just drag and drop region into columns, and then you can see 4 pie charts. One is for central region, one is for east region, one is for south region, and one is for west region. Okay, but see the size of the pie charts are different. See, the east region pie chart is larger and the south region pie chart is smaller, right? And if you want to see this pie chart in vertical manner instead of horizontal manner, then just drag and drop region from column to rows. Here, region from column to row. See, it's done now. Okay. Then just close the show me option and click on presentation mode. This is the presentation mode. Okay, you can also use F7 keyword for presentation. Okay, then if you click on furniture part, here you can see the central region furniture. The sale is 1,55,294. The east region furniture, it is 1,96,332. The south region furniture and the west region furniture. Okay, and if you have clicked office supplies, then you can able to see the central region office supplies 1,15,120. East region office supply, it is 2,11,784 and so on. You can do this. For back, you can just click escape keyword. Okay, and if you want to increase the size, just click on size and here you can just increase the size. Okay, but for now I'll just if you want to compare between furniture and office supply, just click on furniture, control click office supplies and just keep only. Okay, see, you can see the central region furniture part is 1,55,294 and the central region office supply is 1,15,120. The east region office supply is 2,11,784 and the furniture part is 1,96,332. In this way, you can easily compare between two items. Okay. Then I'll just remove this filter. I'll just drag and drop zip mode into column. Here you go. So here you can easily find out like which items are delivery via truck, which items are delivery via express air and which items are delivery via regular air. Okay, so this is the multiple pie chart. Now just rename the sheet. Multiple pie chart. Okay, just click on this one and change this one to Lucida console, bold, keep it in red, keep it in central, apply. Okay, I'll just change the color, edit color, and I'll just change this to today I'll change this to grey. आसन पहले apply. Okay, and then if you want to change the background color also, you can change. Just click on format. You can just change this to this one. Yeah, it looks good. And if you want to change this one, create a border, just click on this, click on format title. Here you can just click on border, click on border color to black. Okay, close it, this one. See, the multiple pie chart is ready now. That's all for this video. I hope you understood. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.